won't be able to see their other emails. They'll just be CC'd. And you're sending something short and simple, just either following up with them, asking a question, having them respond. That's really good. Or send them some more value. But just treat it like, don't treat it like you're pitching. Just treat it like you're actually one-on-one doing that. However, there's levels to it. You can actually go and you can, if you're better at high level, you can go ahead and do that. If you've got an email platform, you can go ahead and add them. There'll be a single opt-in. They won't be a confirmed subscriber. You could also, if you're using double confirmations, if you're using an email platform and you're using double confirmations, you could, when they send you their email, you in direct message, you could email them back and say, okay, I just sent an email confirmation. As soon as you click that, you'll get access. You can actually have them click the email confirmation. Same thing. It's so hard to do this without showing it to you. So I want to kind of, I'll answer more questions if you have more questions about it, but I want to kind of keep it moving. Dan says, my usual email is always something like, here's something that has helped me out lately. I thought you might enjoy it. Hope it helps you out too. Insert whatever video you want. Yeah, that's very casual. I would say really what you're looking to do in an email is your first priority more than anything is you're looking to make it sound native. Meaning, is this person bulk emailing everybody or is this personal to me? Now, it's okay if it's personal to something you've bought. So, hey, is this email just going out to 100,000 people or is this literally only going out to exclusively to members and monthly paying members in IIS? You know what I'm saying? So like, that's fine. It has the same, the feeling has to be what's called native. Is they have to be able to scan their email inbox and be able to say, that's an important email. That's one I actually need to check, right? So if you're just blanket emailing people, copywriting lines and all this kind of stuff, or AI emails, they're not gonna treat it as important. They're not gonna feel that level of importance. So you want to find ways to be able to personalize it, right? With a small list, it's a little bit easier.